Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Ford Expedition. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a hard, level surface, clear of any traffic. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. It is also crucial to consult your Expedition's owner's manual for the exact, approved jacking points and procedures. Locating the correct jack points is essential to prevent damage and ensure stability. For the front, look for an arrow cutout or a designated area on the frame rail just behind the front wheels. Similarly, the rear jack points are indicated by an arrow cutout on the frame located in front of the rear tires. Avoid using the differential housing or suspension parts as jacking points, as this can cause serious damage. Once you have identified the correct jack point, position your jack squarely underneath it. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring it lifts evenly and stably. Continue lifting until the tire is approximately 1 to 2 inches off the ground. This provides enough clearance for your work. Crucially, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the frame, adjacent to your jack, to provide secure support before you begin any work. After placing the jack stands, carefully lower the vehicle until it rests securely on them. When your work is finished, slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack, just enough to remove the jack stands. Once the jack stands are clear, slowly and steadily lower your Ford Expedition completely to the ground. Finally, remove the jack and store all your equipment properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.